Okay guys, today our activity is snorkeling. Actually, we just finished our swimming test and we all passed. We are all passed.
Actually, I have the...
How's your swimming test?
Let's here.
Okay, we're going there. Okay, get ready. By the way, before kayo mag-snorkeling after swimming, kailangan mong mag-sign ng waiver. Pagkatapos ng waiver, that will be the time ibibigay nila lahat yung mga gears mo na kailangan for snorkeling. And then, of course, ita-try muna nila lahat bago maging okay. Kapag okay na yung mga gears mo, then time to go. My stupid heart. And if we're here, need to wear life jacket still for safety purposes. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Hi. So cool. We're going down. Oh, the boat is coming to town. The group. Yeah. Okay, ayan na yung boat para mag-snorkeling tayo. Okay, yeah. Yung mga chicks dun, oh. Ganda. And sasakay na kami sa bangka. Lulusong na kami sa isla. Ito yung moment of truth. From the moment like this, some people say a lifetime. For a moment like this. Okay, there you are, one at a time. Chika babes. Oh, diba? Mundo. Ready to go. And syempre ang ating driver. Oh, diba? Life jacket. Put in already. Dapat small ako eh. Going now. Bye for now. See ya. See ya, alligator. Shout out to Master David. Thank you for taking videos.
This is a video.
Salamat. Kamsahamnida. What a experience, which is my first time. Yun nga guys, tapos na yung snorkeling namin. And sorry naman, wala akong nakuhang video. Actually meron, pero hindi ko na mahanap kung saan ko nilagay yung video sa ilalim ng dagat. Kaya yan lang yung na video ko. And at least I'm sharing with you guys yung place, kung gaano din siya kaganda. And again, this is Bintan, Indonesia. And hope you enjoy my vlog for today. And those who are not yet subscribe my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And hope to see you soon. Hope more videos to be uploaded soon. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy. Fish already. Yay, nice experience, right? See you to my next uploaded video. Tabak on Food Travels.